operation of the French invasion of, or the second invasion in the Mediterranean, Operation Dragoon.
It sounds like it was supposed to be Dragon, which would have been cool.
Yeah.
But then somebody kind of messed it up.
Some French person. It was probably de Gaulle.
Le Dragoon?
Dragoon.
That is actually the French word for dragon, I think.
That happened. That
Never
invasion.
been at that.
And so at this point, security alert is, bells are going off, probably literally, at British intelligence. This is now at least 5 words that have appeared in the crossword just in the last couple of weeks for an invasion that's just 2 or 3 days away.
Hey, it's Caitlin, and this is Jamie from the Bechtel Cast, and we want to talk to you a little bit more about our little show. That's right, we talk about the portrayal of women in movies. That's right, we use the Bechtel test as a jumping off point for more discussion. We bring in one of our funny friends every week. One of our funny friends brings in a movie.
We'll listen to the rest of the way. I just want to be able to hear this.
Xavier, you okay?
Turn right, then turn left. Much better.
So that's a train station. So what we're looking for is,
I guess this is paid parking, right?
yeah, but if it's not too expensive, I don't care.
And parking is not expensive here, actually.
That's the bus terminal. That's the spot.
I can go to water.
Okay.
That's the spot right there.
Let's see where this guy's going.
Come here.
Is it taking it?
Nope.
Oh, time limit is there? This one doesn't look like it's paid.
What?
It's not paid parking, this is street parking.
Porto. Because we can take the train and it's so much more fun.
It's fun on the train, and it's far to drive, and
You get to sleep.
the place we want to go is difficult to drive in and would be very expensive to park in. Looks like there's just a big parking lot over there anyway.
Okay.
Well buys.
Let's put some stuff in. You're taking your blue bag, right? You said I want to take your bag of this little bottle of sunscreen.
Yeah.
For Mr. Max back there.
Okay.
No, you go put some stuff in the trunk.
Can we put this in the trunk?